First step is design and planning. Engineers create the earphone design, size, and technical structure. Second step is raw material selection. Plastic, metal parts, wires, and electronic components are selected. Third step is speaker driver manufacturing. The speaker driver is made to generate sound. Fourth step is circuit board assembly. Electronic components are assembled on the circuit board. Fifth step is wire and connector making. Audio wires, microphone line, and connector are prepared. Sixth step is earphone body assembly. All components are placed inside the earphone housing. Seventh step is sound testing. Sound quality, bass, and clarity are tested. Eighth step is quality check. Each earphone is checked manually for defects. Ninth step is branding and packaging. Earphones are packed with brand labeling. 10th step is ready for market. Earphones are ready for shipping and sale.